Hello world, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my another content. In this content, I'm gonna be share with you a very common topic. That topic name is how can I speak in English. So please watch my full video and subscribe my channel. That's why I'll be able to see my all content, even how I'll publish my every single content into my channel. And I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your speaking English journey. So please, you just watch me or you just copy me. That time you will be able to speak in English. And in this video I will showing with you exactly how can we speak in English with very fluently. There is no scam here. This is very proven method for learning English, because people want to searching like google.com how can I speak in English, but they can't find a solution. This is their problem, and this problem are facing all over the world. People are just searching google.com, youtube.com, but they can't find solution. This is the very problem, very big and massive problem every learner or every beginner who wants to learn English. But now I'm showing with you. Firstly, now I'm introduce about myself. My name is Iqbal. I'm from Bangladesh, and even English isn't my first language. English is my second language, but I have learned this language with my personal life. There is no course here. I didn't any kind of course, or I don't take any kind of English speaking course. I have learned this language only my willingness. That's why now I'm be a English speaker, or I want to be a great communicator about English. That's why I'm creating this kind of content, and you can say this is my practice content. So don't waste your time. If I can say English speaking from Dhaka, Bangladesh, definitely you will can say speaking English like India, like America, like Japan, like Germany. Which country do you live in right now? You will be able to speak in English. This is a very proven method, and this is very honestly said. I truly say it. This is very honest method. So number one is think in English. Think in English is one of the greatest ways to learn English or speak in English. You must have thinking in any kind of situation, any kind of places. You must have think in English, or you must have describe about that place right now. You can say this was. This is a black and white color was, and this was is too much gorgeous. And now use this kind of was with my hand, and now I am wrapped my was in my hand. This is called a was, and this is called a fully was. You can describe this kind of different situation, or you can say this is a wallet. This is my wallet, and this color is cyan. You can say this kind of describe, or you can say this is a hat. You can say now I am wear with my head. You can say this kind of practice. So basically this is called a practice about speaking English, and this practice is too much crucial for every beginner, for every English speaking learner. So you don't ignore this kind of practice. You must have practice, because practice makes one perfect. And this, most of the people, their common mistake about this English speaking, they just listening, but they didn't practice. Practice makes a man perfect. You can choose any kind of language like English, like German, like French, like Spanish and like Japanese, Chinese, Korea. You can choose any kind of country or you can choose any kind of language. But if you want to learn this kind of language, you must have practice, or you must have speaking, reading, and listening. That time you will be able to a great speaker who want to be you can do, or who will be you want. So thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content. I can't follow my this content because time is too short. Next time I'll connect with you in a short time. Please stay tuned with me and watching my this kind of content, and I strongly believe that this content will be helpful for your English speaking learning. So this is time for why I will connect with you within very short time.